The world around us is constantly evolving, and with gasoline engines becoming a part of the past, we're becoming increasingly dependent on electric vehicles. From an electric motorcycle to a fully autonomous passenger vehicle, here are 7 amazing electric vehicles you should have. The future is now. Before we get started, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around for the final product on this list. MYLO. MYLO is an incredible new form of transportation that is crossed between a bicycle and a scooter. This amazing vehicle is powered by a 250-watt motor that runs off of a 36-volt battery. This vehicle is built with extremely high-quality materials, guaranteeing that it'll last for many years to come. The frame is built purely out of aluminum, making it both structurally sound and lightweight. Though the feature that sets this vehicle apart from others is that it was designed with 2 front wheels. This dual-wheel design gives you increased balance while traveling on the bike, as well as better grip during uncertain conditions such as rain or snow. Each of the wheels mirrors the other, meaning that they work in unison to give you an unsurpassed riding experience. Though the standout feature of the MYLO is that it can be easily folded and stored away in less than 1 second. Just pull the lever and the bike will collapse, making it less than half its original size. This is perfect for taking on a bus, storing in the trunk of your car, or placing in the back of an RV. When you're ready to charge the bike, just plug it in and wait for the indicator light to change colors. You can travel up to 15 miles on a single charge at speeds of up to 18 miles per hour. NOVUS. This brand new type of motorcycle is breathtaking. The NOVUS bike is a new form of electric motorcycle that can reach full speed on the highway, even though it's powered by an electric motor. You can reach speeds as high as 75 miles per hour with a range of about 60 miles. The bike is ultra lightweight, weighing just about 165 pounds. It features 18 kilowatts of power and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6 seconds. The dashboard cluster for this bike works using your smartphone so that you can keep up with all the stats of your bike, including range, speed, and turning the headlights on or off. Just clip your phone to the built-in mount and you're ready to go. The body of this bike is built out of carbon fiber, making it incredibly durable yet lightweight enough that the bike can easily be rolled indoors for charging. There are no difficult chains to worry about and no external powertrain parts, making the NOVUS both safe and elegant. The rear hub engine is capable of producing heaps of torque while remaining super energy efficient. You can pre-order a NOVUS right now. GOGO Go-Kart Kit. This amazing go-kart can fit both children and adults and is powered by nothing more than a hoverboard. The GOGO Go-Kart is a frame that can be purchased then mounted to any standard hoverboard. It'll fit most boards of all shapes and sizes, making it the perfect accessory to take your hoverboard experience to the next level. This means that the capabilities of this go-kart are limitless. You can go as fast as your hoverboard will take you, and the battery range depends entirely on the board you choose to use. The frame is built out of a sturdy metal, making it incredibly safe. There's shock absorbers to lessen the impact of bumps and rocks, as well as an anti-vibration seat to give you a comfortable riding experience. The kart is super easy to drive as it uses a normal steering wheel that can be easily adjusted to suit your personal needs. These karts come with everything you need to have a great time, and they'll even include a hoverboard for an extra fee. This is one of the most customizable electric vehicle experiences on the market, and they're available right now. Boosted Stealth. The Boosted Stealth is the world's fastest, cleanest, and most powerful skateboard ever built. The Boosted board is an electric-powered skateboard that allows you to control the board from a remote control. You can ride the board just like a normal skateboard, though with added functionality and speed. You can reach a top speed of about 25 miles per hour when using Hyper Mode. The 85mm wheels also make it easy to maneuver bumps and rocks at high speed, making this board much safer than a regular skateboard. You can go anywhere you'd like, as the board offers a 14-mile range, as well as regenerative brakes that charge the battery each time you use them. The board can even travel up hills with as much as a 25% incline. The deck is made of a composite material that makes it super durable, yet also lightweight. The trucks are made out of forged metals so that you can rest assured they can take lots of abuse without breaking. With a power of 2100 watts, this board is no joke, and the boosted stealth is one of the greatest skateboards ever made. Segway miniPRO. Segways have been on the market for many years, though the Segway miniPRO may be the most capable Segway ever released. This incredible product is similar to a scooter or a hoverboard, though it's much safer and more easy to use. To move forward on the Segway miniPRO, just tilt your feet forward. When you'd like to stop or reverse, tilt your feet to a stationary position or tilt backward. The adjustable leg bar gives you added stability when riding, making it a vast improvement from a standard hoverboard. You can adjust the board to fit your unique size and comfort, making this Segway perfect for everyone regardless of the rider's size. This Segway was designed to help you travel at 3 times the speed of walking, giving you speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. The Segway can also work alongside your smartphone, allowing you to lock the device or customize it at the push of a button. You can change to various light colors, upgrade the software, or run diagnostics from your device without ever needing to take it to a repair shop. Weighing just 30 pounds, these are also excellent vehicles for taking on road trips and storing in the trunk of your car or RV. They can be ready for use in a matter of seconds and give you a travel distance of 14 miles. Zooz Bikes. Zooz Bikes are some of the sleekest bikes on the market and can be powered by pedals or an electric motor. Zooz Bikes are built to last, though they blend in much more easily than other electric bikes. With a Zooz Bike, you get the best of both worlds: electric speed with reliability of a standard bicycle. On a flat surface, these bikes can reach speeds of up to 27 miles per hour. They can travel up to 33 miles without ever needing to be recharged. However, the best part is that if you happen to travel farther than that, you can simply pedal your bike the rest of the way without missing a beat. These bikes charge with a standard wall adapter and have a battery capacity of 21 amp-hours, much larger than many other e-bikes on the market. With a peak power rating of 1092 watts, these bikes are no joke and pack some serious power. They weigh just 62 pounds though, making them similar in weight to a normal bicycle. The top-of-the-line model is the UU1100. The bike can be purchased right now through the Zooz website, though pre-orders are selling out quickly. Zoox. This is a brand new form of public transportation that was designed from the ground up. Zoox is creating public transport vehicles to be used in large urban areas to take up some of the slack left behind by services like Uber or any other taxi service. These vehicles are fully autonomous, meaning they do not need to be driven by a human. They have various cameras built in that can monitor traffic and prevent accidents while taking you to your destination in record time. They're fully electric and are charged at the end of each day. These vehicles are equipped with huge 133 kilowatt-hour batteries that will easily last a full day without ever needing to be recharged. Best of all, each passenger in the vehicle has access to a touchscreen that allows them to change the vehicle's temperature or adjust music to their preference. There's even an advanced state-of-the-art airbag system that ensures each passenger is safe in the event of a crash.